Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. Our today's video is about punctuation, its types, and usage rules. First of all, let's define what is punctuation. Punctuation is the system of signs or symbols in a written language to show how a sentence is constructed and how it should be read. Examples of different punctuation marks include full stops, commas, question marks, exclamation marks, colons, semicolons, apostrophes, speech marks. Let's divide punctuation marks into different categories for better understanding. Period, question mark, and exclamation point. Comma, colon, and semicolon. Hyphen and dashes. Parentheses, brackets, and braces. Quotation marks and apostrophe. Slash and ellipses. Now, let's discuss their usage rules one by one. First one is period or full stop. It is used at the end of a declarative sentence. He is my brother. You will not play with Jack. It is used at the end of the titles in American English. He visited Mr. John's. Doctor told her to do bed rest. It is used in abbreviations. I was born in April 1990. He woke up early at 7:00 a.m. Next is question mark. It is used to ask direct question. What are you doing? Have you seen my cat? It is used at the end of a tag question. She finished on time, didn't she? They are doing very well, aren't they? Next is exclamation mark. It is used after interjections or exclamatory sentences, which demonstrate strong feelings or emotions. Wow, what a wonderful park it is. Alas, such a bad news I heard. It is used to give a command. Stop. Sit down. Fourth one is comma. Comma is used to separate items in a list. The party supplies included balloons, banners, and candles. It is used to separate two independent clauses joined by a conjunction. I love to read, but I don't have much time. It is used to set off introductory elements. In the morning, I like to have a cup of coffee. It is also used to separate the quoted parts. I don't think you should do that, he said. Is used to separate extra information in a sentence. John, the head boy of the school, is absent today. Next is colon. It is used to introduce a list. The ingredients for the recipe are flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. It is used to introduce a quotation. The teacher said, "Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world." It is used to separate hours and minutes. The meeting will begin at 3 p.m. It is also used to separate titles and subtitles. The title of the book is The Great Gatsby, A Story of Love and Tragedy. Next is semicolon. It is used to separate two independent clauses that are not joined by conjunction. Kate was partying all night. She missed the school next day. It is used with conjunctive adverbs or transitional expressions. Most people earn their living by going to work each day. However, Winston earns his living at home. Next is hyphen. We use hyphen in compound words. Short term, self-respect, full length. We use hyphen with prefixes. Ex-president, anti-American, post-Elizabethan. Hyphens can be used to indicate a range. 1990 to 1995, or pages 23 to 27. It is also used to indicate a word break. For effective proofreading, certain strategies are recommended. Next is dashes. It shows a break in a sentence. Please call my brother, Jack Wilson, on Friday. It is used to show a connection. The India-Canada flight takes 14 hours. Remember, dashes are separators, while hyphens are joiners. Next is parentheses, brackets, and braces. They are used to supply additional information and comments to a sentence. I went to park to meet my friend, James. Brackets are used to help clarify the information about the subject. Was he there when you arrived? In written language, braces are less commonly used. In formal writing, braces enclose math equations or music chords. Next is quotation marks. It is used in direct speech. She said, "I love chocolate." It is used to denote the titles of shorter works, like articles, short stories and poems. The Raven, by Edgar Allan Poe, is a famous poem. It is used to indicate a direct quote from a text or a speech. Martin Luther King said, "I have a dream." Next is apostrophe. It is used to indicate possession or ownership of something. John's car, the cat's tail. Used to indicate the omission of letters in a word. Can't, cannot, it's, it is, didn't, did not. Next is slash. It is used to indicate a choice or alternative between two options. Please bring a pencil, pen to the exam. The slash can be used to indicate a date range. The conference will be held on May 10, 23 to May 12, 23. Further, it is used to separate items in list, mathematical fractions and abbreviation. Last one is ellipses. Ellipses can be used to show that some words or sentences have been omitted from a quote or piece of text. She said, "I love ice cream." Ellipses can be used to show that a sentence or thought is continuing on from the previous one. He began counting 1, 2, 3 and continued. Ellipses can be used to create a sense of hesitation or uncertainty in speech or writing. I'm not sure if I should. In this video, we have discussed the detailed use of punctuation. In our next video, we will discuss a new topic. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.